Guys, what's up? So, not gonna lie, I totally forgot to make an intro for this video. I don't know what happened, either that or maybe I did and it somehow just isn't there because my phone's been acting weird. But anyway, you guys, I have two really great things to tell you. So the first is that I'm not going to be rambling and we're just pretty much going to be jumping straight into the video. The second is that I got my new phone today, which has way more storage on it, and that has actually been the problem why I haven't been uploading the last couple weeks like I said I would. So anyway, ooh, there's a cute little caterpillar crawling. Okay, I'm not getting distracted. So anyway, you guys are going to be hearing more from me, seeing more of me like I promised. Okay, other than that, you guys, we are just going to jump right in. Today we have an AliExpress haul, as you guys can see in the title. If you're new and you like what you see, why not consider subscribing, joining our little fam. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel. And let's jump into this cute stuff, you guys. Okay, so as you can see, we have this big basket full of goodies, and trust me, there is even more than it looks like in here. They really packed this stuff, and honestly, the whole bed is like going to be full by the time we're done here, so I am super excited. Also, something that I haven't shown you guys yet, I actually have a Sanrio haul. I have like 3 Sanrio hauls, seriously, dating back. Like, I have a one from 2019, I have 2 from 2020, so I need to get posting these Sanrio hauls, you guys. But anyway, I got this new little mat. Is she not the cutest thing you guys have ever seen in the world? So I'm finally going to start using this one. I think I have not the same one, but a very similar one over there on my desk that you guys see in my other videos. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to take the... Should I bother? I don't know. I'm just so hyped to get started, you guys. Okay, so I took the packaging off of this just so it's not making that like noise the whole time. And we're going to go through this little box first. And I say little, and I know it's a small box, you guys, but it is chock full of goodies. What does that even mean, chock full? I've honestly never said that before, and I'm not quite sure why I just did. And I think it's kind of weird. Anyway, we are just going to jump right in because, oh my goodness, guys, there is a ton of stuff in here and stuff that I had never seen before. And let me tell you guys, and my older subscribers know this, I have been shopping, hauling, buying plastic chain for years, and like especially pastel colors and stuff like that, and this stuff is like brand new, you guys, and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so the first type of chain that we got here, you guys, is this like what is it called? Frosted. It has like a frosted effect. So this is a blue chain right here, and so they're not fully translucent because they are frosted, and I don't know, I think they are so cool. Not as pastel as the other type of chain, but still super gorgeous, so I love that. And then the next type of chain, which I am so freaking hyped about, you guys, oh my goodness, is this like shiny iridescent chain. What the heck? And this pink here is definitely pastel. Definitely going to be getting some more of this. Oh my goodness, guys, I love this so much. They look so gorgeous, you guys. Here is the hot pink. I love this one so much. Then we got the purple over here, and again, it is so pretty. I've even got one of my filming lights over here, but because it's daytime, it's weird. For some reason, the daylight just really screws with my lighting. So this is looking a little bit darker than it actually is. In person, this one is actually pastel. I don't know why it's looking so dark. I don't know, you guys. It is pastel. That is so weird. But anyway, super pretty. Definitely recommend that. Then we have this like greenish color. This one is a little bit brighter than a pastel, but it's still super pretty. Very close actually to the paint on my wall right there. Absolutely love it. And then we've got this blue color over here. This is actually the darkest of the 4, but it's still a lot brighter than, or somewhat brighter anyway, than it's showing up on camera. And then next we have these. Oh my goodness, guys, I honestly didn't even know what I was getting here. We are gonna have to take these out of the package because I didn't even know what I was getting. When I found this listing, I was like, what the heck? Like, I know for a fact that these ones here are new because I would have got these before. These could have been around for a while. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't have bought these probably because they're so thick, so they wouldn't have really been good for jewelry making. But I am totally having ideas for them now, so I did pick them up. Unfortunately, the price was a little bit expensive in my opinion. I think it was like $3 just for this one piece of chain, which is a little bit steep if you ask me. But you guys, it feels so cool. It has like this matte feeling, like it feels so freaking nice and soft and good on my fingers. Like, you have no idea, guys. You have no idea. It feels so nice, and the color is just absolutely stunning. As you can see, they actually snap open and closed right there, so you can easily attach them together or take them apart. And what I'm thinking is like an old school, like back in the 90s, we used to have these wallet chains that would hang like from our wallets and attach them to our pants, and they would hang from the side. So that is what I'm thinking for these, is I'm gonna make like some old school wallet chains, only they are gonna be freaking pastel and awesome and kawaii. One of the reasons that I'm actually pretty sure that this stuff popped up in my recommended on AliExpress is because of masks. People have actually been using plastic chains for mask straps, and people have been making them like crazy. And I'm actually going to show you guys, I got a bunch of clasps that I'm going to show you guys later on in the video, and I'm pretty sure that's why these are trending on AliExpress as well. And so I think maybe they came out with like a whole bunch of new ones because of that or something. I don't know, but I love them. So the next type of chain, I got a whole bunch of colors, and this is actually a type of chain that I've got before, only now they have new colors, and I'm so excited about it. So previously I have shown you guys this chain in this pink color right here, and also in this purple color. But other than the pink and the purple before, I've also got green before. And once again, you guys, this is coming up darker on camera than it is in person. But anyway, they got some new colors, you guys. They got a baby blue. Is that not the prettiest thing you've ever seen? So as you guys can see, these ones here are the 5 separate pieces, just like the ones that I used to show you guys in my old AliExpress hauls. But that's no problem. It's really easy to attach them together. These ones unfortunately don't attach the same way as the other ones, but you can attach them together using a jump ring, which is really easy. And now they have jump rings in like so many different colors. And of course, I'm going to be showing you guys some of those too. And honestly, this one, I don't know, they might have had it and maybe I just didn't get it because I wasn't interested. But I bought it this time because I'm crazy. Out of these 5, I would definitely say that the pastel pink and the baby blue are my favorite, but I'm actually pretty sure that I'm going to get more use out of the purple because I tend to make a lot of purple themed jewelry. I don't know why, I just do. Okay, you guys, so it looks like there is 3 more types of chain in this box. Yes, I know, I'm crazy. And we have a pastel purple, a hot pink, and a aqua tealy blue. This has a bit of a different shape to it. As you guys can see, this chain is a lot thicker, whereas that one is a lot thinner. And also, this one is like more of an oval, whereas that one is like more of a pointy oval. I don't know, there's probably a scientific shape for that, but I don't know. Anyway, you guys, I am loving this purple. This is like the most pastel-y light purple out of all of the purples, and I am loving it. I'm definitely going to be getting more of these. These are so cute. And I'm thinking that these ones are probably also like all separate. Yeah, so these are all separate. That is it for the chains, and they are so super cute. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Links will be in the description box below. And now we will move on to the clasps. Okay guys, so like I told you earlier, I got a ton of clasps, and when I said a ton, I wasn't exaggerating. You guys, I got a freak ton of clasps. Oh my goodness. It's actually a good thing because I'm planning on doing like a little collab. I'm basically sending some stuff to my friend in the UK, and we're gonna see what she makes out of it. So I have a feeling I'm gonna be sending her some of these. They are so super cute, you guys, and look how many you get. Like, honestly, I don't think I paid more than $2 Canadian for these. Like, and these are a fairly new item. I can't remember the exact date, but I know that I have bought this size and this style of clasp before. I'm gonna have to pull it up and try and put it on the screen for you guys when I bought them. I haven't actually shown them to you guys yet, as I remember, but I do have them in a box over there by my desk, and they are gonna be in an upcoming haul. But I ended up buying them again, you guys, and these ones actually looked a little bit different in the listing. And I know some of you have probably seen these because I actually saw a couple people hauling them in the last few weeks, but I did actually find mine last year. But when I found them last year, I had never seen them before. So anyway, these are very similar to the metal clasps that we have hauled before, only they're plastic. Like, is that not the coolest thing? So because they are plastic, they are actually much cheaper than the metal ones. You get a lot more in the bag, and they are such pretty colors. Not only that, they are like a pretty durable plastic, so they're super cute. Look how many you get, you guys. I think there must be like 50 of them in there. Let's see. It looks like it says 25 pack, but you guys, that looks like a lot more than 25 to me. So I got those ones right there. And then in the larger size, I got, again, this is like that like teal aqua blue color, and then this one is the green color. These, honestly, not my faves, still usable, probably for like some sea themed project, mermaid, stuff like that. But these ones I absolutely love. If they have these in purple, I'm definitely going to be getting some of these ones in the purple. Next up, we have some clasps that look so similar to the previous ones. Upon first glance, you might even think that they were the same, but they're actually very different because these ones are metal. So because these ones are plastic, they have more of a matte finish, and these ones are metal. They are like painted or dipped in paint. It's really cool because there's like no brush strokes on them, and there's no defects on these ones either. In the past, I had actually had a problem where I had bought smaller clasps like this, the painted kind, and they would have like defects all over them. So I hadn't bought these in a while, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give them a try. And oh, it looks like I actually ended up getting 3 packages of these, and these ones are the mix pack. Now, normally I actually stay away from mix packs, and my longtime subscribers know that. I usually always stick to the pink, mint, baby blue, like everything that I like. But this time I decided to get a few mixed packs as well, because you know what, there is a lot of colors in here that I actually don't have that could be good for like different holidays and stuff. Like orange, that would be great for Halloween. The red and green can be good for Christmas, stuff like that. And I think that I'm gonna be like making extras for my slime shop, like little keychains and stuff like that. So I thought those would be perfect. Like I said before, guys, when I told you I got a lot of clasps, I was not exaggerating. So, of course, I know a lot of you have probably seen these little cat clasps before, but I had never ever seen them colored or dipped like this. Like, this is a totally new thing, you guys, and I'm absolutely loving it. Honestly, I'm kind of sad that I didn't get like a full pack of the pink or the blue, but still I think the mixed ones are really cute. I'm absolutely loving the black ones for Halloween, and I think I might get a full bag just of the black. For some reason there is no orange in this bag, so it looks like it's just random what colors you get. I still think they are super cute, and I cannot wait to use them. So along with the cat clasps from the same listing, I also got these heart ones. They actually had a whole bunch of different shapes. You guys know I've hauled them before. There's like stars, and there's even dolphins. Like, I think there might even be turtles. There is so many different shapes, you guys, so totally go and check it out. And I ended up getting these heart ones. I only have a few of these heart ones in silver and gold, so of course when I saw them in the different colors, definitely had to grab them. Really liking this like tealy blue, like Tiffany blue type of color, and loving the purple as well. Once again, the orange going to be great for Halloween, the green for Christmas, and so on. And then to go along with those clasps, I got some matching jump rings from the same color. These are definitely not the colors that I would normally be using, but they are definitely perfect for these because they match them perfectly. I also ended up getting the same type of clasp in this swivel style over here. And as you can see, again, it is just like a randomly mixed bag. So I did get those. I also got these ones, and if you guys have been watching my videos for a very long time, then you'll remember my old school jewelry hauls. I used to haul these heart-shaped clasps constantly, and these are actually still one of my staple type of clasp for jewelry making, and especially for keychains and zipper pulls, bag charms, stuff like that. But once again, I had never seen them colored like this before, so I totally had to grab those. From the same seller, I also got these clasps. These are just like regular clasps, but in mini version. And these pink ones here are like the exact same ones that I bought a few years ago. I actually tried buying them like 3 times from 3 different sellers, but every time they arrived, they would have scratches and scuffs all over them, so they were like totally unusable. But seeing as this was a mixed bag and it had purple, and I had never seen purple ones before, and I had never seen white ones before, I thought, you know what, maybe this is from a different manufacturer. And you guys, it looks like they are all in perfect condition. I think I only saw one with the tiniest little scuff on it, so I'm super, super happy about that. The last bag of clasps we have here is another something new, and once again, it's strange because I had never seen these before, but it's so weird because in the last 2 weeks, I've actually seen these in 2 other people's videos. But in the 2 other people's videos that I saw, these were actually coming in like a subscription box type of thing, like a crafting subscription box. It was actually pretty cool, and everything in the box was stuff that I would pick out myself or stuff that I already have. So props to whoever's making that box, and some of you probably know what I'm talking about. But anyway, these are so cute, and I saw them and I thought, you know what, they don't look like they're very good quality, but there is a lot of them, and I thought, you know what, I'll try these. And I got the mixed bag because I thought that would be good for holidays. Once again, like, you know, if they order in the summertime, they can get a pastel one. If they order around Christmas, they can get like a Christmas themed one, and so on. And I actually really like some of the colors that come with this. Like, look at those purples. There's like 3 different shades of purple right there. I love this like periwinkle type of color. That is so cute. And then there's the pink. Even this lime green, I think, is like super cool. The only problem with these is, as you guys can probably see, there is like a space there, so that can't really be closed. So depending on the jump ring or whatever kind of ring you had attached in there, it could potentially get pulled out like kind of easily. So I'm not really sure exactly what they made these for. So what I'm actually going to do is have my husband change them so that this little piece right here, this little tab, is actually on the inside. So it'll still work as a keychain. You know, you'll still be able to push stuff on and off of it. It'll just be a lot harder for stuff to fall off. So yeah, super, super cute. And honestly, guys, I think these were less than $2. And for US, they'd probably be like $1. So if that ends up working out, that would be a really good deal. And then last but not least, we have these little chains. And I can't remember which seller these came with, but I think that these were a free gift because I don't remember buying anything like this. But basically, these are the little rings to like make a chain. And I don't think it would end up being a very long chain. It looks like there's only about 20 pieces in here, but still really, really cute as a free gift. I'll probably end up making some keychains out of it. And yeah, super cute. Well, guys, it looks like that's it for today's AliExpress haul, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing and joining our crafty little fam? As always, links for today's products will be available in the description box below. And feel free to hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. That's all for today, but I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.